economics. In your lower classes, you have studied economics as a part of your social science, and their economics was explained through different stories, which was quite easy. But right now you have opted economics as an optional subject. Earlier you have studied economics as a part of social science, but right now you have opted economics as an optional subject. So before studying economics, it should be clear to you that what we are going to study in economics. What we are going to study in economics. The word economics is a combination of two Greek words. The word economics is a combination of two Greek words, that is okis plus nemein. The word economics is a combination of two Greek words, that is okis plus nemein. In Greek language, okis means household and nemein means management. So economics is the study of economies or household management. Household, or here the word is used for economy. Now how the economy is managed? In management, we will study related to revenue and expenditure of the government. So the word economics is a combination of two Greek words, okis plus nemein. Okis means household or economy. Nemein means management. When this subject was introduced, it was known as okis plus nemein. Okis plus nemein. Slowly, with the passage of time, now it is called economics or economics. In the same way, find out the derivative meaning of different other nouns, like the word we belong to duck shell. The word duck shell is a combination of two words, dage plus shagi. It has taken from the word dage plus shai. Slowly, it has become duck shell. In the same way, economics, okis plus nemein, it is right now called economics. In the same way, find out other examples to your cities, towns, wherever you belong. Now, economics is the study of economies management. Management, we will study revenue and expenditure of the government. In the same way, economy. Economy in an ordinary language, country, nation and economics. Economy, country, nation and economy. All these three words are used in place of each other. But in economics, all these three words are having their different meanings. Country word is used from geographical point of view. It refers to the geographical area of a particular country. Nation word is used from the sentiments point of view or the feelings of the country or the residents of a country. Economy word is used from economics point of view, where we study the economic activities of the economy. Now the question comes, economic activities. Economic activities. Economic activities and non-economic activities. Non-economic activities. Economic activities are those activities which are undertaken with a view to earn profit or satisfaction. Earn profit or satisfaction. Like I am teaching in a class. This is my economic activity. For what? I am teaching in a school to get salary. I am teaching my son. That is a non-economic activity. That is non-economic. Teaching a son is a non-economic activity. On the basis of these two examples, teaching in a school or teaching to my son, The difference is economic activities are those which are undertaken with a view to earn profit, to earn income, or where there is an involvement of money is there. Non-economic activities which are done for our mental satisfaction or for our social obligations. Now I am giving few examples like teaching in a school, economic activity. Teaching, teaching to my own son, that is non-economic activities. In the same way, having breakfast or lunch in the restaurant, that is economic activity because we pay for that. Food cooked by mother, food cooked at home, that is non-economic activity. Going to attend your friend's birthday party, non-economic activity. Going to temple, non-economic activities. You are studying in a school, that is your economic activity. Clear? The difference between economic and non-economic